Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're signed in and ready. Now pick the photos you want to move. On mobile, open Google Photos and tap Upload or Library, then select. On desktop, open Photos. Google. Calm and drag files into the window. Once done, choose an album or create a new one so items stay organized. Use Wi-Fi for large sets to avoid data charges, and make sure your device has enough local storage to stage the upload. Start the upload and watch progress. On desktop, you'll see a progress bar, and on phone, you'll see thumbnails uploading one by one. Make sure backup and sync is set the way you want it. Choose original quality to preserve full resolution or storage saver to save space. If you need selective uploads, pick specific folders or photos rather than whole albums. Once uploading begins, avoid closing the app or closing your laptop lid until the final file finishes transferring. After uploads complete, verify files appear in the album and that timestamps, captions, and metadata are correct. If anything is missing, use search or the device filter to find delayed uploads. Sync can take minutes depending on connection. If you run into problems, sign out and back in, clear the app cache, or retry just the failed photos. Finally, check your Google storage quota if you're out of space. Freeing up or purchasing storage will resolve persistent upload failures.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.